Hey guys, I will discuss whether you should buy the iPhone 16 or wait for the iPhone 17 in this video.
First, let's discuss what the iPhone 16e offers.
The iPhone 16 is a budget-friendly option in the iPhone 16 lineup.
It comes with a powerful chip, decent cameras, and solid battery life.
It is great for everyday use and receives all the latest iOS updates.
However, it lacks premium features such as 120Hz promotion, an ultra-wide camera, always-on display, macro photography, spatial photos and videos, 5x optical zoom, a camera control button, no dynamic island, and more color choices.
On the other hand, what can we expect from the iPhone 17?
Since Apple updates its phones yearly, the iPhone 17 could bring a better processor, improved battery life, and possibly design changes.
There are rumors that even the standard models might finally get a 120Hz refresh rate and an upgraded camera system, but nothing is confirmed yet.
So, the conclusion is, should you buy now 16e or wait?
If you need a new phone right now, the iPhone 16 is an excellent choice. It's fast, reliable, and can last for years.
However, if you currently have a recent iPhone, like iPhone 16 or iPhone 15 or 14, and can wait a few more months, it might be worth exploring what the iPhone 17 offers, especially if you're looking for better features.
What do you think? Will you choose the iPhone 16e or will you wait for the iPhone 17? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates.